Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain React Native versus VS Code, clarifying their distinct roles and how they are often used together. React Native empowers developers to build native-like mobile applications for both iOS and Android from a single codebase. On the other hand, VS Code provides an exceptional environment for writing, debugging, and managing your code, supporting numerous programming languages and frameworks. React Native offers compelling advantages for mobile development. Its core strength lies in cross-platform capability, allowing you to target both iOS and Android with a single JavaScript codebase, potentially reducing development effort by up to 50%. Features like hot reloading dramatically speed up the development cycle, letting you see changes almost instantly. This efficiency, combined with a vibrant community, makes it a top choice for many projects. Visual Studio Code stands out as an exceptional code editor. It's lightweight, incredibly fast, and completely free, making it accessible to everyone. Its true power comes from its vast extension marketplace, offering thousands of add-ons for virtually any programming language or framework, including React Native. With integrated debugging, version control, and a terminal, it provides a comprehensive and highly productive development environment right out of the box. Rather than being in competition, React Native and VS Code are highly complementary. VS Code is, in fact, the most popular editor for React Native development, with a significant majority of developers choosing it. Its specialized extensions provide superior support for React Native, offering intelligent code completion, powerful debugging capabilities, and seamless integration with development tools. Together, they form a powerful duo for building modern mobile applications efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.